sabi ko yung years na actually, share ko lang yung October 11th yung fan zone sa Gateway. I was supposed to perform there pero hindi ko siya so hindi ako nagulit. Nagulit na lang ako sa message niya at then Mother's Day. So, ang bilis na mag-open ang doors for this moment. So, mag-perform sa spirit ng Club of Joe is napakalaki opportunity talaga. And makakonsider ko na siya for memory.
Thank you, sir. Saan ka namin mahanap, Ian? Plug your social.
So, ayun, you can follow me on Instagram. That's Kruger_Ian. So, yung spelling is Lima, Echo, Echo, Alpha, November. So, ganoon din sa akin lang sa Spotify. Ian.
Ayan, supportahan